Dollar Tree Easter egg filling, not just candy. Hey friend, I want to share some tips on filling your Easter eggs. Of course there's candy, but what else am I using to fill them up? Dollar Tree does have a variety of options for you. Check out the figurines in the toy section. They've got brand name, cute finds, Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. They've got a whole series with all the different characters and different outfits. Very good quality. They have lasted and held up for us. I recently found a whole collection of the My Little Pony from that newer movie that came out, which my daughter loves, and so I definitely snagged those up, and they're pretty decently sized ponies actually, and so those are just going to be perfect to put in our larger eggs. Some of these figurines can be kind of cheap, but there are some good ones, and so you might need to check out a couple of stores in order to find what you're looking for. Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. You can still get them for 99 cents at some stores like maybe Target, so it may be worth it to shop for those somewhere else, but they do have a selection there, and if you just need a few, totally worth it for $1.25. Perfectly sized to fit into eggs, and there's just such a variety. Lego sets. They have cute little mini figurines. At sometimes I've been able to find like a big pack, like maybe 8 in one, but all year round you can find, I think, sets of 3 little figurines. And then they also have different sets where you can build little vehicles, and I found these cool SpongeBob ones where it's SpongeBob and Patrick, and they've got all the pieces to build these characters. It's a fun toy because it's, you know, an activity that you can build. Legos can be really expensive, and so this is a great way to get around that. I recently found this totally tiny mini series, kind of like Shopkins, like miniature foods. So this little itty bitty fried egg and these little tiny macaroons I thought were really cute. Lots of people would like them, but they just come in these little baggies, so look out for stuff like that. I've seen the Adorables sometimes at the Dollar Tree as well. They're going to be more expensive at Target, so look out for that if you can. The mini LOL dolls, they have like the full-size little ones too sometimes, but lately I've been finding a lot of those little mini baby LOL dolls. Once you've opened packaging, those will fit perfectly in an egg, and they've got, you know, ones with pink hair and blue hair and different things, so those are fun to collect. And those are in the Dollar Tree Plus section if you have that for $3. There's so many other ideas like fun temporary tattoos. You can find some at the Dollar Tree actually. You can cut them out into little squares and pop them into eggs. They even have some metallic ones that are better for like more of a teenager. Scrunchies and barrettes and bows, you can find all that at the Dollar Tree as well, and some of them are pretty cute. I've seen some like velvety ones and more trendy colors and things, so look out for that. Cutesy erasers of different characters, of food, of dinosaurs. Those cylinder plushies, kind of like the Num Nums, I guess. I've seen Bugs Bunny, Magenta and Blue's Clues. I've seen like Avengers characters, so many different things in like the toy section, so check those out. Chapsticks and lip glosses, small little eyeshadows, fidget toys and little poppets. They have little mini ones at the Dollar Tree with like a keychain attached to them, and they have these little like popper things as well that just are really cute, like of ice cream cones, and so it's another like fidgety thing. Small jewelry like a little dainty necklace or a pair of earrings. I wouldn't necessarily recommend the ones they sell at the Dollar Tree, but you can, especially if it's for a young girl who's probably going to break it or lose it in a few days. You know, get creative with your filler ideas. They sell seed packets at the Dollar Tree. I know some people who would love to find that in their egg. I have these little point tokens that I got a few years back at the Target, and this is a fun way to fill up your eggs. And once you count out the points of all the eggs that you've collected, you know, the person with the highest points can win a prize or be the first one to choose from the surprise box. So I really enjoy doing that, and that way you can just end up buying several large, higher quality gifts instead of a bunch of tiny little things in all of the eggs. And then we have our special golden egg, which we usually put cash in. It's always fun to have one more desirable egg that everybody's trying to get a hold of. Candy. Getting smaller dollar bags from the Dollar Tree keeps variety, so you're not getting a ton of one candy. We often get sick of whatever candy we have in the house. So variety, I think, is really makes it fun, and so that's a good way to create the candy mix that you prefer. You know, creating your own combination of your family's favorites candies from little bags at the Dollar Tree. We got Tootsie Rolls, Starbursts, Cowtails, and we're trying out the strawberry smoothie flavor of that. Airheads, Banana Laffy Taffy. Not everyone here is a chocolate lover like me, so we do have some like sour candies, and that's something that everybody enjoys here. So I hope this sparked some ideas for you. Now I want to share some more Easter gifts that I'm putting out. If you haven't seen my previous videos on Easter baskets, I will put a card up here. So this first gift is going to some family of ours that have 2 little ones, 6-month-old and then an older brother. Adorable, and we love them, and so these are some things that I thought they would enjoy. This one's going to a family that we just want to shower with love and kind of bless right now. They're a larger family, so I wanted to do some bigger items like this big box of cashews, and mostly I've got edibles in there because I think that will be enjoyed. This is also a teacher gift, but it's a smaller scale than the baskets I made in the last video. I think hand soap and chocolate can be a great combination. I think I'm gonna throw this Burt's Bees cuticle cream in as well. And here I've done a hand soap, a lovely fresh scent candle, and a cream egg. And then this person loves nuts, so we've kind of combined nuts and chocolates together by doing chocolate covered goodies that I found at our grocery store. I think stacking them on top of each other with some ribbon is gonna look really cute. All right, please click on this next video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.